So these two are the crankcase pairs. So these two are the new ones and these two are the old ones, and the reason why we went into this replacement is because we tried to fit the engine, and the crankcase had a crack while we were fitting. So we are replacing the old crankcase with a new one. So let me show you the crack where we had. I'm not sure if you can see in this video. So this is the crack. The main reason why we ended up removing the engine was so this is because of this. So my engine was drinking a lot of oil, and we were driving in the highway with less oil, and we had a jerk in the engine, and this is here you can see in the piston there are scratches, and also in the bore we have the same marks. So we thought of replacing this piston and also the bore instead of reboring, because reboring might cost around 1500 to 2000 rupees, and the new bore and piston will cost around 3000 rupees. So it is not a big trade-off. We'll be showing how we will fit the engine of Gixxer. We already removed the bearings from the old crankcase, and we have fitting to the new crankcase, and we have also replaced the crankshaft bearings with the new ones, because the old ones were worn out and they had a play, and also they were stuck, getting stuck in between. This is the shifter and this is the selector. Actually what it does is when you shift the gears, this is going to rotate like this, and this will make the rotational moment to lateral moment. So when you do like this, there will be different levels here, and then when you shift the gears, this will be making the gears to move up and down. So this is how the gears gets changed. Now we will try to install this here. So this goes here, and these two are on the main drive. This is on the gear drive. Okay, let's try to install it. Okay, let it be like that. The number should go upside. This two goes the same way. This goes here. Let it be like this. Okay. This is a bit tricky. Need to hold this up a little bit, and I'm sorry if it is having poor light here. Yeah. Now this goes like this. Now this is in place. Let's try to keep this, try to move this pin similar to that. Let's install this one. Now this is done. Yeah. Okay, all these are in place now. We will try to push the holding rods here. These are of two lengths. So the longer one goes here, the shorter one goes other side.
Now we have installed the shifter selector, and here we will demonstrate the shifting of the gears and when the neutral will. So this is the main drive and this is the gear shaft, and the main drive should not rotate in the neutral position. Now if you see the shaft main drive is also rotating, that means it is in a gear.
This is in a gear now. Still in a gear. Now it's in neutral.
Now it's in neutral, the shaft is not rotating.
You hold that. See, even though main drive gear drive is rotating, the engine is giving an output to the gear drive, but the gear is not transmitting it to the main drive. So that is the neutral. Now we have just installed the crankshaft. It's now perfectly seated on the bearing, crankshaft bearing. This is the balancing gear which reduces the vibrations. So this goes here, and yeah.
Use a silicon based base. This is 3 bond 1215. You can use this. Make sure the both the halves of crankcase are completely closed. Before fitting the screws.
Make sure that the crankshaft is running smoothly after everything, and all these shafts should also rotate very freely. There should not be any hindrance.
Frictions.
Make sure that you don't drop anything while installing the screws, because if you drop inside, then you will have to again dismantle everything and take it out. ಇದೇ ಥರ ಶಬ್ದ ಬಂತು.
Fasten these crankcase bolts in a crisscross pattern.